Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. In this tutorial, we'll talk about the list view. Let's do it. Go to File, New, Other, type Android here. Look for Android application project. Click Next. Give the application name as Simple List View. Give the package name as in.schoolsteps. Let minimum required SDK be 8 and let's stick to 19 for target and compile. Click Next, 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 choose empty activity. Click Next and click Finish. It will create a project for you. It will majorly create two files for us. One is the activity main.xml and another one is main activity.java. In activity main.xml, let's remove hello world. Go to the source of XML. And by default the layout is relative layout. Go to the graphical layout again, right click here, go to change layout and choose linear layout vertical. Click OK. Check the source again. It will convert the layout to linear layout. And especially if you see this part, the orientation property is set to vertical. Go to the graphical layout again. Look into the composite and choose list view from here. Drag it on the UI part. Go to the source again. Here you will find that one list view tag has been added for you. Here the height is wrap content. Let's change it to match parent. Delete it and press Ctrl and spacebar together. You will get match parent. Let's change the ID from list view 1 to list of books. The next thing which we need to do is to get the object of list view in the main activity. Let's go there in the main activity. Right here, type list v, press Ctrl and spacebar together. It will give you list view. And let's instantiate the object here. After the set content view, we need to say list view is equal to. Now the method to get any view is find view by ID. Let's make use of that. Find view by ID. Here we need to pass r.id dot list of books, which is the ID of the list view which we have created in the XML file. We need to typecast it. So we need to say list view. The typecasting is required here because the method find view by ID, it returns the view object which is the parent of the list view. So list view is the child of view. So that's why the typecasting is required. After creating the object of list view, we need to create one array list containing the string objects. Let's do that. After creating the array list, we need to add some books titles in the array list. Let's say books list.add Android programming version 1.1. In the similar way, let's add some more books to the array list. After we add multiple books to the array list, we need to add this array list to the list view. The list view cannot consume the array list directly, so we need the help of an adapter. So let's take the help from the array adapter. We need to say array adapter of type string is equal to new array adapter. Here we need to choose the third one. The first parameter is the context and we need to pass this here. The last one is the objects. We need to pass our array list here, which is books list. In place of resource, we need to say android dot r dot layout dot simple list item 1. In our coming tutorials, we will talk about resource in detail, but here one thing you need to take care of is that android.r is different from the R file which we have been using till now. If we talk about the R, this is corresponding to our package which is available right here in the gen folder under the package. But if you talk about android.r, it is available again right under the gen but inside the folder Android support version 7.appcompat. So these are two different files. So here we have connected our array list to the array adapter And the next thing which we need to do is to connect our array adapter to the list view. All we need to do is to say ListView dot set adapter, and we need to pass array adapter. That is it. Let's run our program. Here is the output of our program. You can see the complete list of books in the list view. You can scroll it up and down. Let me quickly recap the things. Step 1 is to create the object of the list view. Step 2 is to create the array list of type string. Step 3 is to create the array adapter and pass the array list inside the array adapter. And the step number 4 is to pass the array adapter to the list view using the set adapter method. That is it. I would request you to please attempt the free quiz on this tutorial to test your knowledge. This quiz doesn't require any registration. You can also earn a certificate if you get 70% or more. The direct links for the code and the quiz are available in the description. Happy learning. Catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.